Sowore. I don't think I want to dignify Sowore with a comment here. I think he has subsequently granted another interview where he said he has slept in my house on 2 occasions in the period when he came to campaign. So if he slept in my house, I ate my food. Well, I don't know where he stays. To show you something, but it's his opinion, and he's entitled to it. But it's just one out of several people. And other people will not agree with it.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Melazo, thank you so much for bringing us back to the issue of development planning. There used to be the first, the second, the third, the fourth, and I believe the 5th National Development Plan. And then we now started rolling plans. And then there's a saying that failing to plan is planning to fail. And I want to agree with you that we may have to go back. In fact, we need to go back to a whole lot of things and my interventions. When I sat on the editorial board of this, they had made a lot of recommendations, including the sustainability of the number of states we have today. Because some people are still agitating for more states to be created. And we then have to go back and ask questions. Do we really need 36 states? Maybe not. Maybe we need regions. Maybe we need just 6 regions. And we can reduce the cost of governance, the number of governors. If we achieve it, I can give up my own stock. But the point is that there's nothing that we cannot go back and look at. Nothing is sacrosanct. There are even the issue of bicameral legislature. Do we need the Senate with 109 members, House of Representatives with 360 members? Can we do with one? Some other countries are able to manage with one. Maybe only the Senate. I don't know. But it's and once you do that, you'll be able to save a whole lot of money and deploy to capital expenditure rather than current.
When we can come, I'm not like that video. Alex Otti Puchaloko. One focus where Sowore Oku Omeli Hedia or drop. I told you people it is very obvious now. So when it comes to anything that has to do with Igbo political system and circle, Alex Sowore take that matter very, very personal. Sowore take that matter very, very personal. That does not mean the fact that we are discrediting his works when it comes to activism in when it comes to standing against police brutality, humiliation, and every other struggle against the oppression of the poor. Now, the only thing I try to draw attention on the matter to the thing is that you cannot just come and ridicule Onyendi Igboji Emon at the moment. You cannot come out and ridicule the integrity of Alex Otti at the moment. It doesn't work that way. When you just so sad that Ibia Fueba na-emebu ndị Igbo. Ibia Fueba na-eme ndị Igbo ihe. Okwa onye Igbo ibe gị ya pụtakwa mee gịnị na support kwa that the same movement against ndị Igbo kewe nwe ike gịnị metụta ndị Igbo ihe. It is that your own brother ya pụtakwa wee mee gịnị si bụ ọnwụ si na na ndị Igbo na ya mee ihe ame nke ọzọ. Alex Otti bụ onye pụtagonu na-alụ ọrụ na-alụsi olu ike na Abia State, and everybody can testify to it. Everybody can testify that Alex Otti is working. Can I testify that it is working? The only thing they could do that Alex Otti should beef up security, more security in Abia State. Let there be more personnel. Let there be more people who takes the security forces of Abia State more seriously, more than before. Kanda Butana at the end of the day, Bolo Mokina and Kana na private jet. Yeah, we better go whatever Alex Otti on. Just like the other day speech here. We say, we are coming to take over Abia State. we are coming to take over. We are coming to take over. Now, you say, coming to take over to do what? What exactly are you coming to take over to do? Everybody wants to take over. In actually take over nka. In actually take over nka. It takes you over that thing now. Kedi ihe na actually the mail and the mother. As only na actually take over from. What other idea, what other thing are you bringing to the table? Now, I beg for campaign now. I beg for one-on-one dialogue with Alex Otti or one-on-one listing. What will you be your campaign policy for? Can you new thing in Aquadi introduce in the Abia State now that Alex Otti has not done or has in the pipeline waiting? For example, in Achibia take over or then I'll this microphone, for example, now. But I say, hey, I should make a microphone and take you over the market. What other engineering are you bringing for this microphone? Kedu ihe na-eweta for it? Kedu ihe abụ ime nke ga-abụrụzi the highest? Kedu ihe abụ ime ọ dịka nke ga-abụrụ automatically that onye ọzọ onye ọbụla bido use here will fall in love with that you own now? Mutual take over. Mutual take over. They take over Abia State. IET government house ever. Are you taking over Abia State or Abia State or Nefu? Are you taking over the government house? Because the government house also going on like occupants. These are some of the things people are not paying attention to. This is the teenage we deceive. We meaning the buy in Buhari. I say we need the change. Change from what to what. We need the change. We are changing what to what. What are you bringing into the change? Today, with any made the change. Yes, we need to change. Change from what to what. Just like Mother Bibia contest against Tinubu. I am an Obodo Sinike. Okay, what are you giving us? And shake your track record. Among everybody in Apata for this election, it is Peter Obi against Cabal. This election, it is Peter Obi against the Cabal. Because even at his stance now, Peter Obi will be automatic ticket from ADC. Because now ADC, John Ogodonia are still fighting him. The same problem somewhere, the same problem on them where Labour Party. This is the same problem they are trying for it to resurface again. Or the same problem I can't resurface also. I know say it will not happen. Or mamma who so bikono do Igbo onye hindi Igbo na amasi. That nonsense I should already be men and why should not be shared by only Igbo. We believe in it, man, we should stop using somebody else's speech. They will already on the buy. But for what performance and the Canagua Monday Madison, Obo no new by performance and the Canifundi will come out against you. Say, Kitaki Mani Apata, Unachagi one and the Cano Shina, Unapatago, Manambo show report TC, the Maraculianas, and I made a statement which I will still stand by it till tomorrow. Obo no show where they catch who you use. Wabapatamaze nambe kanya yuzwe manakaide chefu kwa nonye Sowore because emelene emelana Sowore iji hanya ka Sowore man on hapo Sowore na Tinubu. Sowore would rather allow Tinubu to be empowered than onye Igbo not empowered. Only him knows his reason. I am not discrediting his work. He's doing a very wonderful job as a young man that mean well for the youth. But when it comes to my people getting to the top, Sowore already biased about it. That's the only thing I want to say. But I go call him.